Yeah, hey, take the picture of the truck, man.
That's fucked up, man. I told them about this guy.
Yeah.
I never heard anything like that. Boss man, I already told them about this guy. They say you should drop it off.
It's already on the truck, man. He's gonna have to call my boss and tell my boss to drop it. Hey, everybody else getting towed. Hey, you should have. The list wasn't notated, man, to not tow.
Boss man, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
This is my car.
Yeah.
This is the resident. I work here. This is the resident car that tell me, and we have to look out for our resident. This car not be just here for 2 days, so I don't know what kind of law we told car for 2 days in apartment. I work here to do my shit.
Listen, it's up to your man. It's up to your management, man.
My manager told me to.
Well, your manager's got to call me. Your manager's got to call my boss.
Don't take it personal. This is somebody's
Well, it's
car,
personal, man. I got to offload 2 cars because
you gotta drop
because you didn't.
You gotta withdraw this shit, bro.
Okay, we're gonna see you. We're gonna see. I'm telling you, we're gonna see. Yeah. Hey there. Down here in South Atlanta, right here. In this property, they called some cars in to get them out of here. And here we go. Flats. It's like somebody's been driving it. They've been driving it on the rim. Wow. Holy shit. It's like somebody's actually driving this car on the rim. Wow.